you struggling to monitor and control your factory operations remotely? Introducing Asset Twin, a part of our integrated suites portfolio designed to replicate real-world behaviors. Asset Twin enables you to simulate, predict, and optimize operations in real time. From 3D modeling to comprehensive data integration, Asset Twin covers the full life cycle of asset management. Gain real-time insights and make data-driven decisions that improve efficiency and reduce downtime. It control and optimize your operations with Asset Twin. Whether you're on-site or thousands of miles away, stay connected to every asset, streamline processes, and enhance performance across your enterprise. Take asset management to the next level with Asset Twin. Harness the power of real-time data and predictive analytics to transform how you manage, monitor, and maintain your operations.